everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I know you were really excited because we are doing another savings challenge of 2021 update, and I've been going pretty strong for the entire year so far, and I think this is the first month where I am not able to complete as many envelopes that I would hope for our 100 envelope savings challenge, but we'll get to that in a second. But if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jerlyn. I am 30 years old. I'm a single girl and I have inconsistent income. So if you have a similar situation to me, I hope you guys subscribe to follow along in my journey to financial freedom. And here you see the ups and the downs. And today's video is, I don't want to say it's a little bit more down than usual, but it is what it is, you guys. But I hope you enjoy and subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for tuning back in to see where we are at in our savings challenge for October. Super exciting because we're almost towards the end of the year. Let me lay out the money. I do have the money right here today. We are adding $337 into our savings challenges, which is exciting. It sounds like a lot. Also, if you didn't catch September savings challenge, I was missing $23 and I can't remember if I recounted the money at the bank when I went to the bank, but I never found that $23 that I was missing for this envelope. And I'm kind of bummed about it. I don't know what happened to that $23, but we are stuffing it today. But let's just make sure we have all of our money. We should have $337. So 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, 15, 20, 25, 325, and then 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, we have $337, so we should be good. Yeah, I don't know what happened last savings challenge video. It was just somehow we were missing money. Again, if you are just tuning in and you are new, I am doing 2 savings challenges for 2021. I started this in January. It is now October. So the 2 challenges that I've been doing this year are the 52-week challenge, which is that saving $1,378. And then I'm also doing the 100 envelope savings challenge, which saves $5,050. So these are the 2 challenges that we are doing this year. If you guys like this printable here, I do offer it in the shop. I want to thank everyone that has ordered from the shop so far. Thank you so much for your support. It really helps out, especially in months like this where I'm not making as much. And yeah, I really appreciate your support. So you can find this exact printable on the shop, and I do have different versions and different colors as well. So we're first going to do the 52-week challenge, and I believe my envelope is in here, and then this is my 100 envelope challenge if you guys are new. So I'm gonna set that to the side for now, and we'll get into that in a second. So 52-week challenge, I recently made an envelope for it, so let's flip to it. There we go. So here it is right there, and we have all of our money in here. So we're doing 40, 41, 42, and 43. So adding all of those up, I am stuffing $166 today. Let's just double check really quick. 40 plus 41 plus 42 plus 43. Yep, $166. So that will be going into our 52-week savings challenge. Let me just check those off before I forget. 40, 41, 42, 43. So we should have $946 in this envelope after we do the stuffing. So 150, 165, 66. Okay, let me organize this really quick and then we're gonna count it. Again, we should have around around $946. I say around that amount because some weeks I might have added an extra dollar or two here and there. So let's just see what we have. Hopefully we are not under that amount. We'd rather be over. Okay, here we go. 100, 2, 3, 450, 550, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 910, ooh, yeah, 910, 920, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 953. I'm so excited. We're on track, you guys. I'm definitely going to complete this challenge, fingers crossed. I'm very confident that I will complete this no problem. It's this challenge that I'm worried about. I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, let's move on. So we are done with the 52-week challenge. And now we are doing our 100 envelope challenge here. So I've had these labeled since the beginning of the year. This is my little marker. These envelopes here are filled with money. These are all done. As you guys can see, we have a lot completed. And then this little section here are the empty envelopes that we have to fill. For the 100 envelope challenge, you're supposed to draw 2 envelopes per week. There's 4 weeks in October, so I'm supposed to draw 8 envelopes. Unfortunately, with, you know, my budget this month, I cannot pull 8 envelopes because we have all high numbers left. So I couldn't do 8, you guys. I feel bad, but this is what I can do. This is life, right? Okay, so instead of pulling 8 numbers or 8 envelopes, I can only do 4. So I'm only doing half. I'm hoping within the next few months, before the end of the year, I will have some extra income where I can complete this. My goal is to finish this challenge by the end of the year. Like, I've been doing this since January and I really, really want to hit that completion by the end of the year, but I can only stuff 4 envelopes today, you guys. So the numbers we are stuffing today, let's try to find them. So we can stuff 23 today, 48, 49, and 51. So here's 51. We need 48 and 49. Here's 48 and then 49. So yeah, we can only stuff 4 envelopes. Again, we're supposed to stuff 8, but I'm only stuffing half because that's all I can do right now. All right, so 49. We have 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's that. Let me know how you guys are doing. I ask you guys every month how you guys are doing. Hopefully you're on track. If you're not, then you're like me. We're not on track, but we're doing our best. 48, 45, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I don't know, I'm getting a little discouraged, but I'm trying to not be discouraged. 20, 45, 46, 47, 48. In this envelope. Again, I am just going to hope that I have some extra income coming in soon so I can catch up. 51. Ugh. Okay. And 23. Okay. All right, so 4 envelopes is all it is, you guys. That's all we can do. Okay? So that is what we did today. Let's highlight them off. So we did 23, we did 48, 49, and 51. So that is it, you guys. That is it for our savings challenges, because that is all we can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions where anything is from, everything is linked down below. Everything from the binders, the envelopes, the printable savings challenges, cash tray, all of it. I thank you guys so much for your support in every single way, watching this video, liking it, subscribing, purchases in the shop. It just means the world, and I hope you guys are still saving with me, and thank you for following my journey to financial freedom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.